Okay, in this video we're going to discuss how to find the surface area of a triangular prism. So a triangular prism is made up of two triangles and three rectangles. So two triangles are the front and at the back. Then we've got two rectangles either side and one on the bottom. The one on the bottom will be larger, whereas the two on the side will be exactly the same. So let's start with the triangle at the front. So you'll remember that the area of a triangle is half base times height. So it's half, the base is 12 and the height is 8. So a half of 96 is 48 centimeters squared. Right, the front and the back will be exactly the same. So I'm not going to waste my energy doing all my working. I'm just going to write equals 48 over the side. Right, the left hand side is just a rectangle. So we're going to write length times breadth. If you look at this side here, the right hand side, it's 15. And then you need this length here. Okay, now if there's a 10 on this side also I'm just going to write that in actually. This side would also have to be 10 centimeters. Okay, so the length and breadth of this rectangle on the side is 15 times 10. This is the right side, but it will be exactly the same as the left side. So length times breadth, you'll do 15 times 10, which is 150 centimeters squared. The right side will be exact same, it's 150 straight away, we don't need to do any working. Now, we've already done 4 faces, there are only 5 faces on of a triangular prism. So the one we have not done yet is the one on the bottom. So it's a rectangle on the bottom. Okay, so the bottom has 12 across, 15 back. So you're multiplying the 15 and 12. And when you're multiplying, it doesn't really matter the order. So if you wrote 12 times 15, that's fine, doesn't matter. And we get 180. So you'll find that the rectangle on the bottom is going to be larger than the other 2 rectangles that you find that were on the sides. Okay, so to find the total surface area, we just total all 5 up and we get 576 centimeters squared. And that's how you do the surface area of a triangular prism. So just find me the area of the front, the area of the back, the left side, the right side, the bottom, and add them all together. And try and remember to show some working, put in the little formulas that you use, and show me what if you're using a calculator, just show me what you're typing into the calculator. And if you can do your multiplications without a calculator, that's great. But if not, feel free to use a calculator, but just explain always what you're typing into that calculator so that I can see all your working.